just woke up. It's currently 9:10 in the morning right now. We're about to have breakfast downstairs, and I'll show you the food once it's ready. Alright, so we just got back from the cafe. It's super hot. It's probably like 90 degrees out right now, maybe 80. It's just super humid. And it's barely 9 o'clock. We just got coffee. I got a double shot latte. What did you get, Ale?
Caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato ice, double shot. Right now we're heading back to the hotel room to change, and we're gonna go for a quick dip. It's a quick look of the bathroom tour. Let me load this up. Got a shower. Pretty cool. And then you have 2 sinks right there. 2 sinks. Full closet. Full bathtub. Then this is the patio outside. If that thing wasn't there, my camera would have fell. Man, this is absolute paradise out here. So we're in Cancun. We're staying here for a week. This shit is crazy. We got the green light. We got the green light. Let's go. We're just about to get on the kayaks right now. Hey, let's go. You want to go up front? Okay. Sí, gracias. Gracias.
Oh my god, I got water!
Nice, this is nice.
Whoa, whoa.
So we're on the kayak provided by the hotel. We have like 30 minutes on these, but in reality, I think it's like as long as we want to. But yeah, we're just out here, just like literally kayaking. So, all right, so we're just about to race. We got Alexis, Alex, Claudia, Angel, Crystal. We're about to race to the shore right now. So, you guys ready? Right there is a ferry that stops in Cancun, and I believe it takes you to Isla Mujeres, which is over there. It's that island over there. Alright, so right now we're heading to Xochimilco. Xochimilco, it's not the one in Mexico City, but the one in Cancun. I guess they remade it. Right now we're just gonna go on these like large boats. They look like banana boats, and we're just gonna have food, drinks, and live music.
Alright, so we just got off the boat. It was a 30-minute boat ride, so it wasn't too crazy. There was live music playing. Everything went really smooth on the boat. It was pretty cool. Right now we're just waiting for the group to reunite, and then we're gonna head to a snorkeling tour. Hopefully we're able to see fishes, turtles, and all that good stuff. So we just went snorkeling. For sure, 10 out of 10 experience. We saw starfish. We saw a bunch of I don't know what kind of fish they were, but colorful fish. We also saw stingrays as well, which is pretty cool. But 10 out of 10 experience for sure.